welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to those who've seen my dance videos before, and if you've not, welcome and go watch them later. Okay, so I decided to do a vlog of my trip because why not? You can see my room's a mess. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see, but anyways, it is a mess. And I'm gonna be packing. I'm packing right now, so I thought I'll start recording it from today onwards. But I'm leaving day after. I'm gonna be going to Jammu Kashmir, Delhi to meet my college friends and my roommate. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing. Hopefully it's interesting enough for all of you to watch it. But yeah, let's go. So we're ready. We're all packed. My cousin's here sleeping. And that's my mom making some bread. Say hi, mama. Hello. Hi guys, we reached Delhi. Now we're gonna go to Jammu. Yeah, see you there. So we reached Jammu. I couldn't record inside the airport because it's not allowed. But yes, we are in Jammu. We're on our way to Katra. We're gonna reach there in 1 hour, so we're going by cab. And I'm so dead, I'm so tired, and look at this. I am marked because of the RT-PCR and my nose hurts so bad. So we're in the hotel right now and I'm almost ready, but while I was getting ready, I thought I'd tell you guys about something very interesting. So basically, my mom visited Vaishno Devi exactly 21 years ago on the same date. And the thing was that she went up there and she prayed for a daughter. And when she came back down, she got good news or whatever. Obviously not because of God, but you get the point. She got good news that she is now pregnant. And it was me. I came. I'm amazing. Yeah, so I was like a miracle baby or whatever. And she's going there exactly 21 years later with me. And yeah. I'm just excited, but we have to walk the whole night. So, hello. We're going up. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di. We're gonna be climbing there. Oh my god, it's so far away. But okay, Jai Mata Di. We're en route. We're walking. We're not at all tired. So we gave up and now we're on a horse. We gave up after halfway, so that's great, but yeah, I'm so scared. This one's name is Chandramukhi and it's such a cutie, and my mom is on someone called Shona. Adventure Max, it's a little bit flooding here now and we're stranded. I'm like hanging on this thing. Hi guys, I haven't updated you all for a very long time. I mean, you wouldn't know that, but yeah, because of the flood and everything, inside you're not allowed to carry mobiles, blah 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 blah. I couldn't record anything, but now we finished visiting Bhairav Mandir and we're on our way back. Once I reach back to the hotel, I'm gonna then update you because I'm really tired now and dead. My legs are numb. Bye. Hello guys, I know you can't see me, but yeah, basically I'm in Jammu airport and we're going to Srinagar right now, and after we go there we're going to stay in this very pretty hotel. And yes, and I'm sorry I couldn't vlog yesterday more because it was kind of a mess. I will explain everything. We reached Kashmir. That's our hotel and look at that view. Oh my god. So here's a small room tour. It's a very cute basic room with all necessities, I guess. So me and my mom decided to have like this long ass dinner, and we're gonna eat for like 3-4 hours. Just kidding, but yeah, we're not gonna stop until we eat everything. We're ready and now we're going. We're in the Shikara and we're starting the ride. We just got off from our Shikara and we're at this place called Char Chinar. I'm gonna go there and see if there's a good spot to record some dance. Mummy, this place is too beautiful. We got a place to record and we did. And go watch it on my Instagram, link below. There are so many lilies here. Look what our boatman gave us. We're just vibing. We're eating Kashmiri food. Now we're in a place called Nishad Garden. It's like a Mughal garden. It's huge. So we just recorded something again over here and go watch it on Instagram. We reached back and I'm kind of dead and tired, but we're drinking Kashmir special. What tea, Mama?
Kawa tea.
Kawa tea, and it's really good. Hi guys, I met my roommate finally. What is this making out scene going on? Excuse me. That's my mortal enemy, Joyu. Because of Joyu, Ashi does not give me love. I am very distressed. Good morning. Ashi, good morning. Good morning. So we're ready and we're wearing matching things which I will show you later. But we're going to Sarojini now. We're in Sarojini. Guys, I am at the Korean Cultural Center. Oh my god! With Ashi. Look at that! We're wearing the same outfit. I'm trying not to lose my shit. Oh my god. Oh, I'm panicking. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my shit. So this is the place we're staying. It's an Airbnb and it's so pretty. Oh my god. That's the living room. This is one of the rooms. Then this is where I'm gonna be staying with Saramya and Anika. This is where the guys are staying. Wow, it's already messy. It's so pretty, oh my god. This is the kitchen, which is enough for us, I guess. Yeah! Hello, I forgot to vlog yesterday because little bit we were having fun in the moment.
Lot of fun, and Vidisha had a lot of fun.
So now we're in Haldiram's for breakfast, God knows why.
Yeah.
And we don't have a place to sit.
So we are standing and waiting.
And this is very awkward, so I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Party. हम party करने
हम
जा
कहाँ
रहे
जा रहे हैं? बताओ तो.
हैं. बोलो.
बोलो.
Party करने जा रहे हैं.
Bangers are we going to Bangers? Because Kashmir side, how about that?
छी यार.
And we'll dance.
दरवाजा बंद है. Hello.
Party.
Yo, girls. Yo, hello.
We're at Connaught Place right now, and we did the most basic bitch thing ever. We bought scrunchies. And we went to Wenger's, and now we're going to Theobroma. Also, Anika, say hi. Change of plans. We are in Museum of Illusions. Oh my god. I wanted to come here since so long. Finally. Look at how hot Suranga looks. हर जगह मैं हूँ.
दूधों की मलाई मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे
कम्बल आया देखो. अरे
Hi. It's our kind of last day. Not kind of. Second last.
Second last.
We're in DLF Cyber Hub. Where are we going inside? I don't know. We're going somewhere
To eat.
We're dead though, so sleepy.
Very sleepy.
Oh. I'm here at Select City Walk, and there's a Korean cultural fair going on, and I am so excited. I just bought BTS merchandise. Oh my god, I bought their coffee thing, and now I'm going to the fair. Okay, bye. Yo, it's our last day. I'm very sad. But then, yeah, I'm almost done packing. I know I didn't vlog much in the Delhi trip, but that was because I was trying to, like, enjoy more. It's our last day.
Last day, and we're finally leaving. How was it?
So good. I don't want to go back, but I want to go back. I don't know. If my mom sees this, I want to go back.
Yeah.
But yes.
College again. Studies.
Yeah.
Classes. No Vidisha.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
How was the trip?
Trip was amazing. How was it for you?
Amazing.
Enjoyed more than me, for sure.
Acha.
Line likho, line. Long line.
Bro, why there's so many people? Safe kissy, bro. I'm back home, and I'm dead. Gonna sleep forever and ever and ever now.
So good night.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, that is, I know it was pretty long and you know it was not that interesting, but I had an amazing trip. It was amazing, and I'm so glad I went on it. We made sure we followed all COVID guidelines and everything, so don't worry about that. Until next time, I'll come back with better content, and I'll also be posting a lot more dance videos. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.